Okay everyone, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at some of the extra board tools that we have. So usually when you start your board tools, or if you're using your smartboard, these tools will appear on the left hand side. What you can do, you can grab these and put them wherever you want. You can put them on the left hand side if you want. If they're in your way at all, you can move them out of the way. So we've got our pen, and of course we can draw with our pen. That's great. I'm going to do a new one. Other options we've got is our colored pen, our highlighter, eraser, right-click notebook. All of these are basically shortcuts to different tools. If you want to customize, you can do that as well. So we've got a pen, eraser, keyboard, a screen recorder, which actually records just as I'm making this tutorial in a similar way. You can do a screen capture toolbar, which kind of emulates this one up in the top right. I'm just going to grab the screen shade and throw that on the toolbar. Spotlight's a good one. You can do shapes if you want. You can do a pointer, which basically creates a giant arrow on the screen. I'm not going to demo that. And magnifier. I'd say feel free to explore these on your own, but I'm just going to highlight these three. So I'll go back to my Firefox web page here. Oops, see, I can't interact with the screen because I'm drawing. So again, red X. Go to your Firefox here. Alright, so let's go back to Northwest Indian College here. So if I have some content on the screen and I want to maybe hide it from my students to prompt them to fill in the gaps for me or something like that. I've seen this used in math problems and other social sciences. What I can do is I can use the screen shade tool. If I tap on that, it'll create a screen shade. So basically this was when your teachers would put paper over top of the transparencies for an overhead projector. It's the same sort of concept. So we've got top, bottom, right, left tabs, and if I want to reveal something on the screen, I just grab that and pull it up. See that? So if I can say, okay, so the purpose of Northwest Indian College, okay, blah, 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 you can reveal the content that way. Just like that. And to close it, just hit that red X. Another option for hiding content and revealing it is a spotlight. So if you tap that, it only reveals a certain part of the screen. So right now I'm actually interacting with the computer itself, or the website itself. See, I'm scrolling and everything. I'm trying to drag on the inside of this, but it's not letting me. So if I want to move this, I click outside and I can navigate through that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? When I'm done with that, what I can do is just tap this little arrow here and quit. And I'm set to go. As you saw, there was a bunch of options which you can mess with in there as well. And then, of course, shapes. And this is just like a pen, so I can draw a circle if I want to. I can draw a triangle. And I'm sure there's a bunch of other options in here, so you can fill it with a gradient if you want. And that looks really cool. Just need to save those tools. And yeah, there's my gradient. So however you want to set this up, however you want to annotate your content, you can do so using these extra tools. If at any time you lose track and all of these tools get sort of messed up, you can just tap on the options for it again and restore defaults. And when I click this, it'll just go back to normal. Click done, and we're set to go. So those are the extra tools for the smart board tools. And next we'll look at some other cool options.